Yeah, I'm really excited to race in Nashville. We've all spent time there and had a blast, but now I get to race there, and I'm gonna go early and spend a couple days and enjoy my time there and be cool to get some practice and qualifying and hopefully have a really good race. The paint scheme is amazing. You know, like I look at Alex Bowman's dirt cars and stuff, and I think he's got the prettiest looking race cars ever. So then now mine kind of looks a lot like it with the color combo, and so I definitely think it's probably gonna be the nicest looking race car I've gotten to drive. To have a red car though is gonna be pretty sweet. I think it'll pop a lot on the track. Yeah, it means a lot to have partner Valvoline, because with every lap completed, and if I win, you know, it's more money that goes towards my foundation to help you benefit different communities. So there is more pressure behind trying to complete every lap and do the best job you can, because you know, the more laps you complete, the higher up you finish, you know, more money is donated. So it's cool that they're gonna definitely, you know, help out with me. Yeah, we've never been there before, but I get to race a lot of different tracks. So I look forward to that kind of challenge and opportunity of trying to learn something quickly. And thankfully, I've actually gotten some test laps there. When my NASCAR career was getting started, I've done a couple Xfinity tests there. I think I did one Cup test. And we've been good on intermediate style tracks this year, so I think we should be hopefully strong. You don't really know until you get racing. It's hard to kind of plan ahead of what adjustments you're gonna make during the race, because you don't know how your car is even driving yet. And two, it depends on the weather and how that changes from, you know, the day practice to, you know, when we race the next day. So we'll see. But yeah, like I said, it's hard to plan for something like that. There's a cool picture of me, you know, giving him a big hug after my first ever sprint car win. My dad's a crier. I was actually crying a little bit then. So that was a special moment, because he was fully hands-on with my go-kart stuff, so he kind of just became the fan, you know, in the background. Now getting to experience it with my son, it's pretty cool. I think just seeing them grow up and seeing how they change and mature is neat to me. Like right now, I feel like Owen's really growing up a lot, and you can actually like carry on a conversation with him, and he thinks of his own questions. And with his racing, I find pretty cool. Like without me even asking, he'll bring it up. Like, "Oh, Dad, you see me, you know, like blocking that kid because I knew I was in the final transfer spot, or you know, it was a white flag and I was doing this, doing that." I'm like, man, that's like really cool. At a 6-year-old is thinking ahead and preparing and planning for something